Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download InShot app in your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen and open it. Here you can find the search option at the bottom. Now select it. Now tap onto search bar and type InShot and then simply search it. Here you can find the InShot option. Now select the second one right here. Here you can find the cloud button. Simply tap on it. Now the process of downloading the app has begun. One thing to remember, if you are downloading InShot for the first time on your phone, it will show the option of Get button like this. And then simply tap on to Get. Now wait for a few minutes. Finally, your app has been downloaded. Simply tap on to open the app. Now you can easily make videos on InShot app. Now here you can find your app on your home screen too. And that's it. Now you know how to download InShot app using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.